We are going to finish up the day today in Cleveland, Virginia. No lake, no mistake. Beautiful little town of about 200 people, give or take a dozen or so. The numbers I've found are all over the place, so I'm just going to call it 200. You can do the math, figure it out. It's up and down from there. Cleveland sits on the Clinch River. Clinch River is also known as Virginia's hidden river, I think it is. Runs to the southwest, exits the state down by Clinchport, and heads into Tennessee and begins into Lake Norris as part of the TVA. Cleveland became a town in 1946. Relatively new town by Virginia standards. It's on the river here. Has a great little campground just to the north of the town. I believe it's 20-25 a night for a camper and considerably less for a tent. See a little couple of fawns up here playing in the grass by the church, the Methodist church up on the hill. My wife wanted to watch them for a little bit, so we're watching them. Cleveland is trying to reinvent itself, trying to create a business base. It's suffering like all the other small towns in Southern Virginia and more so in Southwest Virginia. I'm thinking they need to stick with based on the location of the Clinch River. Maybe look out for the mussels and the freshwater mussels and freshwater oysters, I believe, are in the Clinch River, which is one of the top 6 biodiverse places on the planet. That's a reason to visit right there. So we're just gonna finish up this drive around town here and give you a quick look at all the sites. Just past the town hall. On the left is the old town hall. That building's for lease if you want to move your business to Cleveland. That's a do not enter sign, so we need to back up. There's not really a downtown Cleveland, as you'll see. As soon as we do a little loop here, we're gonna go to the park, check out their farmers market. Saturday evenings through the summer, there's a farmers market. We picked up some delicious chow chow, which is, for those of you who don't know, is a relish. It's absolutely great. Bought it off of a family there. Dad's member of the town council in Cleveland. God, Cleveland, Clinch. You got to get it right. So we're going to roll around the town here, get out and walk around a little bit, up and down Main Street, check out a few things. This won't be a long one. Thanks for watching.
Same with Arbiter to get something. It feels good.
Today we're finishing up in Cleveland, Virginia. Population, I think it's about 320. Beautiful little town on the Clinch River. And I believe the initial population started coming here in the 1820s. It was built by the Methodists. The key church here is the Methodist Church. So we're just going to take a quick walk around town. Met one of the town's councilmen. Nice guy, him and his family at the farmer's market over there. Like I said, it's a cute little town. I think it's always been about this size. I need to verify that. Roughly 300 people or so. Had minor ups and downs, I think, but oh, I gotta look at that again. I forget. Back in the day, there was Cleveland wasn't incorporated until 1946. Kind of a late bloomer in Virginia when it comes to incorporated towns. It's a small town, nice little town, like I said. Back in the day, in the 1830s, 1840s, I believe there was a glass blowing industry here, glass manufacturing, that went away for whatever reason. And I don't think the town's ever really recovered from that. There was some generation of income off the coal fields. But now that they've completely ruined that industry, things are going to be rough for this town. I guess one avenue would be create a tourism industry. But there again, that takes money. Now, as far as the list of smallest towns in Virginia, Cleveland ranks number 10 currently. So as you see, there's a Baptist church. It's way up the hill. But the Methodist church right here in downtown, I believe the initial church was built in 1840 or 1846, somewhere around there. So as most of you know, none of my videos would be complete without the post office and the zip code. Zip code here is 24225. Only took me 3 tries to get that right. And there's the beautiful post office sign. All I gotta say is look at what surrounds you here. This beautiful forest all the way around you. You sit on a beautiful river. Lovely. Well, thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Crossing a swing bridge here on the Clinch River in Cleveland, Virginia. This thing is bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.